What's up, guys? I'm back with a tutorial on how to compile OpenMRS, and what it is, it's an open source platform. It runs on Java, and it's more or less a medical program that it's a database as well. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to obtain the source for it and compile it. Now, I'm not going to show you how to edit it, but if it's something you really are interested in, I would check the links in my description, and I'll look more into it because it is something that would be interesting to work with. Now, before you begin, I want you to have the Java development kit, MySQL, and Maven. I have the links for all three of them in the description. They are pretty straightforward to install, so that's why I decided not to include them in this tutorial, because they really had no guide through to install. Now, first thing we're going to do is download. I also have in the description something called Eclipse, and it's a plugins folder for it. I want you to download both of those files, and I want you to put them on your desktop for easy access. And what you're going to do is open this. You can actually extract them straight to your desktop. So extract to desktop, extract here. Okay, I'll be right back. I have to go over my old work. Okay, I'm back. The plugins folder is going to give you two folders: features and plugins. Now, what you're going to do is the other zip file I have, you want to unzip that, leave it on your desktop. I called it Eclipse. You're going to open Eclipse, and you're going to get this. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to want to merge these two. You're going to want to merge these two folders and put them on here, and if it asks to combine folders, click yes and let it do. I'm not going to do it because, again, I have done this and I don't want to mess up any previous work that I've done. So after you do that, you're going to go to GitHub, and from GitHub I have a link. I'm going to open a link. You're going to you're going to get OpenMRS. You come to OpenMRS core, and from OpenMRS core, you're going to want to download the zip file, and this should take a short while to download depending on your internet. Okay, we'll be right back when it finishes. Okay, now it's finished. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this OpenMRS core master, and you're going to extract it to your desktop. So you're going to drag and drop. Could it be easier? So now, before you do any work, you're going to have to make sure that whenever you install the Java development kit, that you got a certain command called javac working. So what you want to do, you're going to have to make a new variable, make a new user variable for your computer, and it's not hard to do. You're going to want to open a new File Explorer window, right click, My Computer, this PC, whatever it's called, Properties, Advanced System Settings. You want to get this pop up, Environment Variables, and you're going to want to add in your user variable something called path. It might already be there, and if it's already there, see if they have. I left a piece of code in the description. Oh, well, location actually, and check and see if that location's in your description. If it isn't in here, I would copy and paste it in, just like that. Don't leave any spaces. That's actually what messed me up before. I left spaces and I didn't know what was going wrong until I took away the spaces. So whenever you have this bit right here, the C program files, once you have it in, you can click cancel, cancel. Now you're going to want to open up a command prompt. So you can click start, CMD, enter. And okay, now command prompt might look different for you guys because I'm running it off of Windows 10 Technical Preview, but if you're running off of Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, 8.1, it's all the same thing. It's the same steps. So it should work on all those operating systems. If it doesn't work for any particular one, please leave a comment and I'll address it if I can. So what you want to do is you want to just type in javac. See how I got this list? If you get this list, you're good. If not, what I would do is actually make a system variable and try it again and see if you can get it. So now what you're going to do is now you're actually going to get the work now that you have the entire working environment set up. So now you can actually get the work. So you can open Eclipse. You're going to open the Eclipse folder, and you're going to just click on Eclipse and start it. I already have it started. Alright, I'm going to erase this because I already have this. Okay. I can't erase it or it's going to delete what I have already. So what you're going to do is go to Import. You should see Maven. Because you installed Maven with the Maven add-ons, you should have this. If you don't have Maven as an option, I'll try to reinstall the plugins that I left in the description. So you should be able to click existing Maven projects. This can take a while. I'll be right back when it. Okay, it's done. So browse, and you're going to want to navigate to your desktop and scroll down until you can find your OpenMRS core folder. And once you click that, just click the parent folder. Click OK. Click this checkbox, and okay, see, it has this for me because I already imported it, but you should be able to click next, finished, and you should be left with this. So, okay, you want to click run as Maven build, click this, or it's going to go straight to this window. For goals, just type in clean install. This is going to be the only way you can get it to actually build, unless you can find more goals online. If you get more involved and if you become more of an expert than the people at OpenMRS are, and you know Java, you know everything back and forth, you may be able to find some other goals that can build and you can get the results you want. So once you just do clean install, make sure there's a space. You're going to click run. And I'm not going to run it, I already have it built. So after you run it and it builds, you should all be good. Now, if not, you're going to end up getting, see, build success. See how I got build success. But if you get an error, now they should give you a URL, follow the URL, go on the internet, do research, make sure that you have the error fixed before you try building again, or you're just going to be doing nothing forever. Or also make sure that you have all the project files. Make sure you have them all properly imported, that not one of them was missing, because that was actually a problem I had the first time I tried. So once you have your success, your build success, you're going to go to, I have to drag this folder over. You're going to look for, okay, you're going to have the OpenMRS core folder that you downloaded from GitHub. You're going to want to go to Web App, Target, and magically, by some magical force that you may have just controlled yourself, you're going to have something called OpenMRS.war file. This is the compiled OpenMRS, and also you have it compiled. Why not do some more research and go ahead and work with it? If you're going to want to upload this to your own server, you're going to have to install something called Apache Tomcat, and that's a server that you're just going to run off your computer to test it and stuff. And if you're going to want to edit, if you're going to want to learn to edit the code, learn Java. Also, the first two links, I have one of them describes OpenMRS and their purpose, and the other one is about how to work it, how to add it, how to open, check the source, upload it, how to become a member of OpenMRS, how to work with them in GitHub, and kind of collaborate on the project with them. So that's all I have today. Have a good one.